Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so in this question, we're told that the average payment is $982, and standard deviation is $180, and that the mortgage payments are normally distributed. So we're asked to find the probability that the payment is more than $1,000. So to do this, we're going to use our formula. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma, and we're just gonna use 1,000 in place of x. 1,000 minus 982 over 180, and this will give us approximately 0.1. Now we're just gonna find the probability corresponding to the z value, and we're gonna find that it's 0.5398. 0.5398. So next, what we're gonna do is rewrite this expression in terms of z. So we're gonna get p probability z is greater than 0.1 is equal to 1 minus probability z less than 0.1, which is equal to 1 minus 0.5398, which is equal to 0.4602. That's our final answer. Now, in part B, we're asked to find the probability that the monthly payment is greater than $1,475. So it's the probability x greater . So we're just going to use the same method by calculating the z-score value, which again is x minus mu over sigma. We're gonna input this as our x to get 1,475 minus mu, which is 982 over standard deviation, which is 180. And this is going to give us approximately 2.74 if you plug it into a calculator. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the corresponding probability to the z value, which is 0.99. Whoa, sorry. 0.9969, and we're gonna rewrite this expression in terms of the z-score, and it's literally exactly what we did up here. So it's probability that z is greater than 2.74, which is the z value associated with this, is equal to 1 minus probability and z is less than 2.74, which is equal to 1 minus this value, 0.9 which is equal to 0.0031. And that's again our final answer for B. Now part C of this problem is asking us to find the probability that the monthly payment is between 800 and 1050. So probability 800 x 150 dollars, obviously. And so here we're just gonna have to find two separate z values. So let this be z1, let this be z2. So z1 is equal to, we're just using this basic formula again. So 800 minus 982 over 180, which is equal to negative 1.01. Now we're going to do the same thing for our second limit or condition, which is z2. So 1150 minus 982 over 180 is equal, approximately equal to 0.93. Now we're just going to rewrite this expression in terms of z. So we're going to have p negative 1.01 is less than c less than 0.93 is equal to the probability that z less than 0.93 minus the probability that z less than negative 1.01. So now what we're going to have to do is find the associated z values, probabilities with these z values. I'm looking at table E, and we're going to find that for negative 1.01 it is 0.1562, and for 0.93 it is 0.82338. So now we're just gonna plug these values back in here. So 0.8238 minus 0.1562, which gives us a final answer of 0.666766.